Hello and welcome from Accounting Lecture and London Educators. Today we have a very popular AAT and ACCA teacher, ACCA member, and a YouTube channel called Accountancy by Sajid. Mr. Sajid is here with us. Hi Sajid, how are you?
I'm very fine, thank you very much. How are you?
I'm good, Sajid. Thanks for being with us today. You have been helping many students, especially AAT students loving your video lectures on YouTube and online. So my today's this video is about is it the uh, knowledge on theory, passing the exams are good, but how about the practical? You see, once they qualify as a AAT or ACCA student, become member or even part qualified, they need to gain the practical knowledge or go into the industry and work for that. How do you see that? How you think they should gain the practical qualifications and knowledges as well?
First of all, thank you very much to ask this important question. It's a really important topic because the qualification and the experience has to go together. Because even if you are qualified, but if you don't know enough work, if you don't know how to carry on the task, then the student face a lot of difficulties. And sometimes the student work as a volunteer. They try to learn so many work after even they qualified. So for that reason, it's very important, like, to understand, not only have the theoretical knowledge, not only pass the exam, to have a relevant experience at the same time. For example, once you qualified with the ACCA or with the AAT, you can be a qualified accountant and you can open your own practicing firm. And in this case, like, a few experience or learning will be very important. For example, as a bookkeeper, you need to know some software. If you like to work as an accountant, you need to know the VAT, the payroll, accounts preparation. It's a very basic and the common thing that every student need in order to be in a position either for the work or work as an accountant. So very important.
Right. You see, Sajid, not just opening your own accounting firm. Many students, they'd like to join other or companies or services, also accounting firms as well. Would you give us some names? What softwares? You've been talking about accounting softwares. What softwares are good for them?
I can make it very precise. For example, for the bookkeeping, the most popular two software in UK, that is QuickBook, and I'm sure, like, QuickBook is not only in UK, it's a worldwide, a very popular software. The next one is very popular is Sage. And the Zero. So the QuickBook is very popular for the manufacturing and for the service industry. But on the other hand, Sage is mainly designed for the manufacturing industry. So if you like to be a management accountant, then Sage will be more helpful. But if you work in the service industry, in this case, the QuickBook and the Zero will be more helpful.
Right.
And for the payroll, right now, most of the software is cloud-based. So the most popular one is Iris, and BrightPay is quite popular nowadays. And if you are in a practice, if you're looking for a lot of client with the minimum cost, the Moneysoft or Payroll Manager is quite popular in UK. And for the accounts production, two software is very popular nowadays. The first one is Irish Element, quite reasonable price. That's why people like it. The next one is also popular. That's called TaxCal. So that's very important because there is a lot of features you have to carry on so many things in the
So these two are for the final accounts preparation, income statement and balance sheet. Okay, Sajid, thanks for all your valuable information. Any last tips for the future accountant? Those they watch your videos, my videos as well, for them on practical accounting.
My only one advice is, like, if you learn the theoretical part and the practical part at the same time, you could save a lot of time. So it's not like you have to finish your study first, then you start the learning. In this case, you might have to spend another few months or year to learn all the work. But if you start it during the time you study, so what will happen? You will be qualified at the same time and you will have some experience. So after you just finish your study, you will be definitely ready to get a job. So
brilliant. So Sajid, thanks for all your information and tips. Definitely, it is going to help our students, both Accountancy by Sajid, Accounting Lecture, and London Educators. We're very happy to have Sajid as our lecturer, senior lecturer at London Educators, and hope this video helps many. Bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.